All right, so this is going to be the large wooden baby shower crate. Now this is perfect. I know you've seen them at the baby showers. This is an easy to do. Everything comes included in the kit. The majority of the screws that you're going to need to actually put the box together are going to be the silver ones. Everything is pre-drilled and ready to go. It's going to come with a little small screwdriver that's easy to use. You don't really want to use a drill because of the type of wood this is. You just want to easily put in these screws. Now this is something that you can decorate. You can get them in different colors. This is going to be in the dark walnut. This is just the color. I think it's gender neutral, can be for a boy or for a girl. It's very subtle, and it's gonna make all the little colors of the outfits and the blankets and stuff that you put inside pop. So you're gonna go ahead and connect all of these sides here. As you can see I'm just lightly screwing in all of these screws. It was really simple to do. Here's your fourth piece. Now, while you're doing this, you want to make sure on the opposite side of these, on the base, that all of the holes are going to be facing the same direction. This is something I learned, as you can tell here, so it's got all the holes. See them? Now this is where you're going to screw in the bottom two. Again, here it's super easy. You're going to use the silver screws that you got in the set. You're just going to go all along the bottom, screw these in, and they're pre-drilled. Here's your base. It's all set up and done. Now let's go ahead and add the bars. You're going to do the one with the two, and this is where you're going to use the gold screws. Super simple, easy to do. I went ahead and put them in a little bit just so that I could line up the holes easily and without any issues. As you can tell here, you're going to do it on both sides. Go ahead and put these in, and then you're going to connect the top bar. This is what's actually going to have the hangers hang on it, and you can display the eucalyptus leaves, and you can also hang the hangers, anything that you want on it. Now, it's also going to come with the letters, 2 of each letters. So I'm just going to easily wrap this on here, and I'm going to show you, I'm just going to spell out baby. Perfect baby shower gift.